Y'all gotta check this out. I got this Montego Bay. Ooh, this Jamaican food. Lord Jesus. Let me show y'all this food here. Check it out. Check it out, honey. Yes, indeed. I told them put extra sauce on it. Lord, thank you for this food. Amen. Got to pray over that food. Lord Jesus. I'm about to dig in. I'm telling y'all that right now. About to dig into this food here. Tastes so good. Make you wanna slap your mama. You know, baby. Us old school. No, we ain't trying to do that. We be done died. We'll be slapped until next week. They sometimes forget my cornbread. They ain't forget this time. That's nice and spicy. Lord Jesus. Montego Bay. Yes, indeed. I ain't had Jamaican. I ain't had. I ain't had this in a while. I ain't had no Jamaican food in a while. Y'all know I was experimenting with the vegan. I gotta have some tea, you know, in my food. But I think what will is you gotta, instead of the frozen, you gotta be like have the fresh vegan, so you can be able to season it. Cause that frozen stuff, there's so much seasoning you can do that make it taste right. Cause you gotta remember that it's all plant-based, so things are looking good. So I ain't saying that I don't eat none of it, but I know that the fresh tastes better because you can season it. You can season it to your liking. Now, that's the thing with that. Ain't no drama up here. I'm just eating my food. Some people love a lot of drama, so they only want to be on your page if it's got some drama going on. You come to the wrong page. But I want my fans and my followers to know that it's not just all about business with me. I do have a life. I do other things. And I do like to eat good as well. And to some people that know I love my Mexican food, I do eat the other things, other foods besides Mexican. Just so you know. This is so good. If you ain't never been to my head in the Montego Bay, check them out. They're in Virginia. They're real good. I have good Jamaican food. I don't know who the best, but I do order from them quite a bit. And I had got it delivered through DoorDash. I have a good credit on DoorDash. Somebody didn't deliver my food. Then the last people I ordered from, my order was wrong, so I had a credit on my app. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get me some Jamaican. I was telling my son, he had took my granddaughter to Funville. So that he always taking her somewhere, her trip there. But and let me tell you, I was telling y'all about doing my granddaughter's school had to shut down because of COVID. Let me tell you what had happened. He didn't receive another call. Her class is shut down. The 2-year-old class is shut down for a few weeks. Because 2 kids got it. That's not, y'all parents need to get on the ball. Keep your children at home. Stop going out here. And partying, being around folks, these events. You got to be careful. You bringing that stuff back home. With a man. You know, I don't think there's so much you can say about people getting vaccinated, so I'm not going to say it because what I said in my last post was taken off. So I guess they felt like it might offend some people. I wasn't telling people to get vaccinated. I was just suggesting it, but vaccination, I guess, is a touchy subject, so some people take it way too serious when you're trying to explain something. So I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm just saying what happened at my granddaughter's school. That she's home for a few weeks now. You know, she can't go back for it. I mean, someone has to be home with her, of course. You don't realize the impact this COVID has. But it is what it is. How everybody doing this evening? I hope everybody's doing good. You blessed? My daughter got some. I was telling y'all earlier that she had passed her AR test at the academy, shooting the AR. She passed that test. Then turned around, had to get some bad news. Her car had failed inspection, but we didn't know what were the we didn't know what the paperwork had said. So I had went up there for the man to explain it to me to find out, well, what this has to do with the inspection. So he took me to the little inspection board and all that kind of stuff. And pointed out to me what the problem with her car, everything it falls under. And that's why her car had failed inspection. You know, some of these places go by the book. You got some places where you go, you know, the hood, they just want your money. So if your car, it brakes good, okay, you know, lights working, okay. Your car got the basics going on, you good. Ain't no lights on your dash going. They gonna pass you. But some, it's like a dealership. They by the book. Better none be wrong with your car. So, she didn't take it to the dealership, but I'm not gonna say where she took it. But, they go by the book. And her car failed. And, it's gonna cost, you know, I think her car is a, I don't know if it's 2006. I think it's 2006. But they took them out. It might cost like $2,000, something like that, to get it fixed. Cause it's she gotta go to a collision place and they gotta fix it. Then it has to get fixed. And that's the only way it's gonna pass inspection. It's crazy. But she done just had to spend almost $2,000 for another repair that was wrong with the car. And you know, I can't tell nobody to get a new car. Cause I'm like this. When you start trying to tell people what they need, okay, when they get in the bind, don't be surprised when they come to you. I can't even pay my car payment this month. You think you can help me out? Because if it weren't for you, I wouldn't have even got this car. But you the one suggest, you know, you ain't gonna never be able to throw that in my face. The devil is a liar. I ain't gonna tell you no such mess. You know, I'm gonna help you out the best I can. But if it say so, gotta come from you. What can you afford? You know, do you gotta get another car? You know, I'm gonna get it from the auction. You know. But you know, she all stressed out right now. Which I ain't want to tell her, but she wanted to know that I go and check about her car, so she wanted to know. So now she all upset. Every time I make more money, here come more problems. Ain't that life? I'ma tell you, every time. Soon your income increase, here come more problems. It's like your income increase, the bigger your problems. And the thing about it, when you start making more money, it seems like all your bills, when something happens, it's always like 1,000 or more. You know, you might get, you know, it's gonna be 500 and up. It never fails. I don't know what it is. It's like it's like your income can see see the problem before it even happens. It's like your problems be like them. Your problems be like holding like a cup. They want something. Hey, hand out like a cup. They want you to pour something in it. Pour your problems on in here. I'm going to tell you how much it's going to cost. It's crazy. It never fail. It's like you can't win. No matter how hard you try. And it's like, what can you do about it? It's like the price we pay when we sit here and buy something used. You don't know how the person before you took care or didn't take care of the vehicle. So you take a chance and you might get by maybe that first year, and then all of a sudden all kind of problems come. You know, my daughter be like, Mom, I can't afford to get no new car like you. And it's like, girl, I don't even want you to deal with it. Problem. I got to deal with, you probably lose your mind. Because, Lord, you sit here and buy a new car and the personal property. Lord Jesus. Dang. It's like your personal property is like another car payment. Problems after problem. You hear me? It's crazy. It's like, so within a month, your personal property come in, you got to pay the personal property. You got to pay your car note. And if you doing the month-to-month car insurance, your car insurance. And that doesn't even include all your other bills. So trust me, I don't see nobody to go out here and I would never throw that to someone to go out here and add more bills to what they are already dealing with. Because I don't know your income like you know it. And I dare not ask. Because it ain't none of my business. When you start asking people their problems, you know, you can't afford it. Why you can't afford you? No, ain't none of that. You should get this. Or I think that's a bad idea. None of that is coming out of my mouth. I want you to vent to me and tell me where it's coming from. You know what you thinking. I'll tell you my opinion. Because if you can't afford it, don't do it. It's just that simple. Because in the long run, you already know that you have rent. You have all your bills, whether it's rent or mortgage. You know, car payment, car insurance. You got all kind of stuff going on. You know, you got to do within your budget. Excuse me. It's just crazy. But you can't let it stress you out because it's just all, in actuality, it's all just a part of life. I mean, as long as you live, you're going to be paying bills. And some of them is going to be unexpected. What can you do? You can try your best to prepare for the unexpected. You know, you can put money aside. So many people don't prepare for the unexpected. Just like death is unexpected. That's why you get life insurance. There's a lot of us go around every day. We got money for everything but life insurance. You will see the same person walking around every day with designer clothes on. And then when they family go to bury them, they on social media talking about a GoFundMe. Like, really? So you need a GoFundMe. So this person had designer clothes on every day but didn't have life insurance. You don't know when the unexpected is gonna happen. You gotta prepare yourself. I make sure that my kids at their job and outside their job had life insurance. It's just that simple because you just don't never know. It's important. Yeah, you hate to keep paying on something that you might. It's just like car insurance. You pay on that month to month, year to year, and you might not never have to use it. Is life insurance. You pay on it constantly. You never know when you're gonna use it or have to use it, but hey, you want to be prepared. And so many of us is not prepared, and it's sad. So, I just want everybody, we really want to make sure my loved ones, they do have that life insurance. I know that my kids, my family, they definitely have it. You know, this is my favorite, you know, the Pepsi. My family know I love my Pepsi. I done started also drinking Dr. Pepper. And I don't got time for people trying to tell me what. You know, dark sodas is bad for you. Dark soda is bad for you. You shouldn't be drinking them dark soda. Heroin bad for you too. Weed, alcohol, all that kind of stuff bad for you too, ain't it? Okay then. Carry on. Because I'm going to drink this doggone. I'm going to drink my doggone Pepsi. I've been drinking Pepsi for years. I need to work on drinking more water. You know, I am up there in age, you know. I'm in my 50s, so I know I need to get better with the water drinking. I ain't even going to lie about that. I do need to work on that because I cannot stand no water. And I do drink more Pepsis, way more Pepsi than I drink water. So it is something that I need to work on. But I hate when somebody try to tell me what I need to work on. Like, what, you perfect? Tell me what you need to work on. Child, I know what I need to work on. Yes, indeed. We all got all kind of faults, flaws, and everything. I need to cut back on a lot of things. I'm bigger than I was when I was in school. Those days are long gone. Skinny as I was, skinny. I'm long from that right now. But I love Nina. Trust and believe that. That man of mine ain't complaining. But we ain't gonna talk about that. But I got this cake. I ain't gonna eat that cake tonight. That's for sure. I don't know what my other phone at. I think it's in my purse. Oh yeah. Oh, it's 7:46. Alexa said it's 7:46. Excuse me. I don't want no this already done filled me up. That was good. You know what? I usually don't eat this much. And that's a trip. It wasn't like it was a lot, but I usually had leftovers, so I was hungry. But what I'm going to do is I got to order some stuff off of Amazon. My son is fixing up my granddaughter's room. You know, because she was into Minnie Mouse. Now she's into Elsa. So he's getting ready to fix her room up for Elsa. So I got to get this stuff ordered. So my her papa, my ex-husband, and my son gonna fix her room up. She got all this stuff that they gotta fix up. My her papa is coming over my son's house, and they gonna be doing all this stuff to her room. She's gonna love it. She loves her some Elsa, and what is Elsa and Ola? She'll probably be over here for a little while tomorrow, because she's out of school for a while, and my son still gotta run his business. So she'll probably be over here tomorrow when I'm some of my downtime. Make some time for her. I tell you, it is crazy what's going on. This COVID make everybody change. Got to change up your schedule. But it's one of those things. It is what it is, right? I'm going to go ahead and get on up out of here so I can get this stuff ordered for my son. Because he'll be calling me, Mom, how much it is so I can bring you the money. So I'm gonna go on and get off here. I just want y'all, had to show y'all that good doggone Montego Bay, that Jamaican food. Ooh, Jesus. That jerk chicken. Yeah, that jerk chicken, them greens, macaroni and cheese and cornbread. I love me string beans. That's the green that I can eat. I'm not a green person. Never have been. I used to have to sit at the table all night long, food getting cold, everything. My mama trying to make me eat them greens. I be at the table like that. You gonna eat them greens. You ain't getting up till you eat them greens. You know, back in the day, that's how your parents were. Yeah, so it's a trip because my kids, well, I can't say all of them. Ain't like I got a lot of kids, but I'm just saying. My oldest son, my granddaughter's dad, he don't like greens. My daughter, the baby of the family, she used to didn't like greens, but she like green peas, and I don't like green peas. I ain't never liked no green peas, but I like my string beans. And the baby boy, he like greens. He like all greens. It ain't much he don't like. That's why he healthy. He like his greens. He's never been a picky eater. And then, you know, my oldest daughter, she eats good too. She eats greens too, so it's just my two. The youngest girl and the oldest boy don't like, they're not a green fan. But my daughter, she has come to like them green peas. I hate when you're like, oh, I want some green peas. She'll try the string beans, but she ain't really a fan of them. But I don't like no collard greens, no, you know, and the collards and the, I don't like all that. I don't like that leafy stuff. But them green beans, oh yeah, I'm all for it. But yeah, let me go ahead and get on up out of here. Y'all have a blessed evening. I hope y'all had a good dinner yourself, whether you had to cook it yourself or order it. I hope it was good, because mine was delicious. I hope y'all have a blessed night. Y'all be safe out there. Much love. God bless.